Hey everyone, how you guys all doing? Welcome to the second part of the
There we go.
second part of the Top Gun King of the Skies trailer. Let you guys all know that we got some pilots in training right now. We got one that's being something, and we have one right there, and we have should we be concerned? He's coming in really fast. I don't like where this is gonna go. This can go really bad. Oh, he's coming in hot.
We'll be fine, hopefully. Oh.
Where did he go?
What?
Wait, what? Where did he... You saw that?
He's over there.
Wait, how did... He was by the mountains, and then he just teleported.
Wait. What happens if you go far? Oh, the limit, the barrier.
Ah, that makes sense.
Teleported it. Oh, so then he gets more momentum.
Oh my god!
My finger's gone. He took my finger.
Oh, look.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. There he goes.
Just silence.
I guess so. I'm just...
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there he's going down the jet now.
My jet, my anime. My big poopy anime. They stole it.
Uh-oh.
They stole my big
Here comes Pyre.
anime.
Here he comes. Here we go, Chad. He didn't do it. Oh, he is hauling too. Oh.
Boom. There's some...
Jesus!
Oh, hey, wow. They're shooting at us. Ah. Jesus.
Well. Hey, look up.
I am
look up.
Jesus.
Look up. Look up. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, is that... He's free falling. Oh my god, he's free falling.
I'm so sorry, by the way. Okay, he's good. I shot his left wing as I was coming down. Because I was trying to shoot at you guys to get your attention. I shot his left wing.
Uh-oh. Nice.
Oh, you see, I went fucking Mach 2.1.
Dude, you were over here by the mountain and all of a sudden just disappeared.
Because the edge of the road, you teleport to the other side.
That makes sense.
It's the best way to gain enough speed. Speaking of that, I'm gonna try to go Mach 2.5. The maximum I've went is 2.8.
Nice.
Let's see if I can hit it again.
Hey. I have a question.
What?
Do you think you can try and belly scrape this entire carrier without crashing?
Oh, I could. I'm gonna try to get 2.5 belly scrape across carrier.
Do it. Alright, let's Oh. I guess he done, I guess? So he's gonna go with Mach 2.8 right now to see if he can belly scrape the entire carrier.
By the way, I can actually read the numbers. That's what I'm saying. I'm on 018. That's a 72. Did you know that? That's 72.
No, it's 27. Read it backwards.
Shogo.
Oh. He's coming in. So what do you think? Is he gonna crash?
Son.
Or you think he's gonna make it?
Everyone has shadows.
I think he hit the world barrier. He just teleported.
I think he was trying to do that so then he can go fully.
Get enough speed. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, I went too low. I wasn't paying attention.
I just see you.
I'm going 2.1. I'm going 2.1 as well. Come
Oh.
on, man.
What the hell?
I know,
What
Johnny
just
did.
happened?
That just blew by itself.
Exploded.
That was kind of weird.
Boomba. Me after Taco Bell. Today, of all days, I turn into a Bimbus. A Bimbus. I am a Bimbus. Hello. It is me, Bimbus. I am full of mystery.
So
What up?
apparently am I the Earth and you're the moon, you're circling around me?
No, I am Bimbus.
Jeez.
Hello. I am Bimbus.
Oh jeez, not that avatar.
I am Bimbus. Hello, chat. Hello, I am Bimbus.
Hey, did you ever
I've
see
got you 3
the
wishes.
picture I sent in Discord? About that sticker
No. Sticker.
that I just ordered?
What is it? Of me, Bimbus?
No, it's something better.
Oh! Things just get really emotional.
Alright. You're right, Chad. Here he comes. He's coming in. Here he comes. Can he do it?
Bimbus will watch.
Oh. He came in fast, but he didn't belly scrape
Bimbus
the
just-
carrier.
Bimbus just poo himself. Bimbus. Poo. Okay, let me,
There we go. Alright, without any further ado, let's go take to the skies. Whoa! What the world? Ah!
That's not how you fly!
I don't know what happened. The whole thing just glitched out.
That's not how you fly.
I just
come
got
on.
in the jet, and the entire
Let's
thing just
Let's
flipped
see.
around.
Come on. Belly scrape.
Oh, you're gonna do it? Oh, you're close. You're very close.
Oh, get close. Come on.
Where did you post the thing in?
Pictures, photos, and VR. It was yesterday.
Sticker.
It's like a picture of a T-shirt, but it's a. I ordered the sticker version. Do you see it? Here. I'll send it to you, actually.
I see it.
Come on.
I'm
trying one more time. One more time.
You stinky, you know that?
Where are you at?
Yeah, go super low. Crash into us.
No, please don't.
The ball. Oh, there we go. Wow. A shooting star.
I did, but I didn't make it all the way. I made it about halfway.
I saw that. You like halfway landed it.
And you went flying away like a shooting star. It was super beautiful. Launch! Okay, our mission today is to find a building.
So yeah, if you go to the edge of the road, it teleports you to the direct opposite. That's how I gained so much speed without having to turn around.
Alright. So there is this stunt that we're trying to perform. It's called the rooftop canopy. It's where you gotta land, flip your entire jet over on the rooftop, and see if you can just scrape the water. I don't know if
this will either be cool or a natural tragedy.
Let's just say I've been practicing this maneuver, so we're gonna give this a shot.
You're not really stoning me with confidence.
Oh, alright, we're good.
We're gonna quit! Just explode.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he is hauling butt too.
Crash into him. Wait, you hear us?
Yo, coming in on your left.
Alright. Woo. Hey, I have a fun idea, Jen.
What?
Don't you?
You think he'll know?
Well, he just said no. I think he knows. No, you wait for him. No, go back around because he's going to... Attack! Oh,
Bogey down. Got him. Watch this, we're gonna zoom past him.
I sense karma.
Come on, you know I'm not good at firing rockets. Come on.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Yeah, you just got blown up and your limbs went everywhere.
I mean, I've never hit anyone because they're too good. And I don't know how, bro, every time I shoot flares, they don't fucking work.
Oh, no, dang. Five float. Oh, okay, now we're but hit the water.
We're dead, we're dead. Oh. Gotta love training. You gotta love flight training. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Oh, they just... Oh my god. Can I have my jet back, please?
The flares work. They literally
Dude,
don't work.
the jet keeps doing flips and keeps spawning out. It's the second time it did that.
I'm so confused. Every time I use flares, they just don't work. I even turned my afterburners off, and it still don't
Oh! Oh my god, look at the jet! Look at the jet!
What?
That's the third time! That's the third
What is
time!
happening to the jet?
I think it's happened like it's possessed. I think it's gonna do it again. Oh, it's gonna do it again! There. Oh, what the heck's happening?
Holy.
I am so glad I'm recording this. Oh my god. What the heck? Someone call a
Well,
priest.
it's just gonna keep doing it. It's just gonna keep.
We need to call a
It's
priest.
gonna go up. What? No, you ruined
Oh,
it.
come on, Jen. You ruined it. Dang. Unless it's gonna do it again. I wonder if you can do it again.
We know if it just starts ascending.
Oh, there it goes.
Hello.
What is with the jet? Look.
Hold on.
Turn around.
Watch
Keep watching. Watch
this
this.
jet.
Just watch the
No,
jet.
watch. It's been doing this the whole time.
It's just pure entertainment. Just keep watching.
Ready? Ascend.
Oh, what the hell is happening?
This is the most entertaining video I think I've ever recorded.
Wait.
No, don't get in it. Don't get in it.
No.
What happens if it walks?
Wait, I'm gonna get in the passenger.
Wait a minute.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah, I was gonna think a plant because you're not gonna.
Go, get in it. Hurry.
Oh my god! It's working! It works! Yes, I knew it. The passenger seat.
Yeah, if you get in the driver's seat, it's not gonna work.
Hop in the jet. I repeat, do not
have to try.
hop in the jet.
I mean, that's one way of parking the
Hold on.
jet.
Hey, wait, don't press reset. That might fix it. I'm gonna blow it up. Hold on.
I mean, that's literally the best way of parking the jet is on the roof.
Don't respawn.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. Well, that was that was a pure entertainment right there. You missed. You missed the jet. It was right here. How'd you miss the jet? Oh. Apparently I spoke too soon. He's right there.
Because I want to get in. I want to try it. If it's still on.
Let's see if it does it.
Let's see if it does it again.
Do not hop in the jet.
Hop in the passenger. Hop in the passenger.
Do not.
Go!
Oh.
No.
There we go!
Bro, why?
Bro, I think we broke the... Oh!
It bounced! It bounced!
Oh my gosh.
Hilarious. Oh, fuck.
Come on. I need
This
to
time, get in the passenger seat. Don't get in the driver's seat.
Yeah, do not get in the drivers. I don't know if that'll fit. I don't want to make it fit.
Bye.
There
Have
it
a great
is.
time.
Bye! And we. Backflips.
Oh, there he goes again.
Damn! Oh. There you go. Kid, you gotta get in it for the video. You gotta.
Okay.
You just gotta, bro. Holy shit. Bro, I don't know if I guess what. This is.
Oh, Jesus! Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Talk about a
if you
wild
hop in the
ride.
passenger, holy
Oh
the
my
POV is crazy.
gosh.
Oh, ascend! Yes!
Bye!
Bye, Jen!
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna bounce.
Oh.
Hit the
Just
ground so
quick,
hard I
kaboom.
went through the floor.
Oh, jeez, this is so
You know what?
much entertainment.
Oi! Now this is pod racing.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Wow.
Wait, what if we wait? I'm gonna try the front. If it don't break, then yay.
Oh.
K9, try to hop in with me. We gotta see if we can both get in.
Okay. Let's hope it doesn't break.
Yeah, I want to get in the
Oh
front.
my
I wanna
God.
get in the boat. Come on, please.
Come on, come on.
Just don't touch the gear.
I won't touch anything when I get in.
Go, 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 go.
I'm in front. Not touching. Not
Okay,
touching.
hands off, hands off.
Oh,
Oh, no. I think we fixed the bug.
I wonder if it's
I'm crashing against the oil. Do it again.
I hope it does.
Please.
Come on, this is so entertaining.
Ascend. Ascend. Fuck.
Dang, we broke it. We broke it.
Well, that was fun.
K9, you should hop in the jet with me as I'm gonna try to skid the belly again. We'll go try to go Mach 8, 1.8 only. Let's see if I can get it.
Oh, jeez. Where did he get his license from? A cereal box? Trying to figure out where Jin got his pilot's license at, from a cereal box.
That's insane. Let me press cap. Thank you. Bio roll. Anyways.
Is there anything you want to say to chat on YouTube?
No, I'm doing something. Don't.
Do not engage. Do not engage.
My flares don't work, and I'm trying to do something, Jin. Stop
Well,
it.
I did spam like 100 missiles at you.
He was trying to do a stunt. You do not engage.
I know. I just did it for the bit.
Oh.
Come on, stick shift. Oh, hello.
Oh,
Bro,
Jesus.
come on.
Oh, goodbye.
You know what? Who needs a cut? Never mind. It forced me. Set to 15 and chill. At this point, I just chill.
I'm watching your speed. You're at 646 right now and climbing.
Yeah, just wait. I'm gonna be way fast. I'm gonna go 25. The descent when I teleport is the most important.
Oh, I see the end of the map.
Come on,
Yeah, I see
teleport
it.
me. Teleport me. You should do it now. Come on.
You're getting there. It goes. Oh, my frames. Oh, I don't like this.
I'm gonna only go 1.8. If I go above, oh well. There we go.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't make it.
You were close. You were close.
Oh, there's Jin. Oh, there goes Jin.
Oh.
You know what? I'm gonna try to go Mach 2. I'm gonna stay above 1.7. No, 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 no. Come on. Thank you. I'm not a good height. I'm good. Let's go wait. Oh, never mind. Forgot it's faster. No. Come on. Keep climbing. Keep climbing. I did not get enough height.
You probably need to be a little bit higher in the next pass.
Oh,
You were...
a friend is spam inviting me right now. I got so close. So close. God. I know that my friend. I mean, I might be back.
All right, we'll still be here practicing.
Whee!
Drop kick.
As you jumped into him, he just disappeared. The timing of that was perfect. All right, everyone. Thank you guys all so much for tuning on in to one of our flight training videos and bloopers. I'm still trying to figure out what even happened to that jet. Like, the whole jet was cursed. I don't even know what happened to it. The whole thing just went, you know, crazy. But, yeah. I'm gonna let you guys all know we're also going to be going, uh-oh. What are you doing? What are you trying to do?
Explode. Ow. 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 No. Ow.
Alright, without any further ado, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning on into the video, and I will see you guys all next time. Thank you for tuning on to Top Gun, King of the Skies. I'll see you guys later. Bye.